Hey there, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. 2019 Searay 290 SDX. Just unwrapped this one. Got to start with the profile. It's got the white hull with the metallic gunmetal striping on it. Adds a little bit of style, a little bit of look to it without going over the top. Power plants, twin Mercury, 250 horsepower. That's that new V8, lots of torque, really easy to maneuver, great out of the hole punch. With a good top end. Nice swim platform, real easy to walk either side if you're boating, with a flip down swim step. Have to talk about the option that we put on this one. It is the rear facing sun loungers. Great place to lay out in the sun and catch some extra rays, some storage, cup holders, really everything you need to enjoy your afternoon. Easy transom walkthrough. On the way through you will see that there is a remote control for the stereo. So if you want to crank up your favorite tune, you can do it while you're sitting back there in the lounge chair. Entertainment space, so wet bar, little slop sink that you can put some ice in, really put a nice spread out there. As you come into the cockpit, lots of space. You have the flip around seats, so you really can make a true seating area for 10. We still have the slide out cooler, storage underneath all of them. Speaking of storage, with this being the outboard version, you have the absolutely great space here. If you want to fold down an inner tube, some swim toys, whatever you need, really it'll fit in this boat. Water sports tower does retract if you need to get underneath a low bridge or a lift. Bimini top does fold up as well. So again, you want to get out of the sun, you have that option. You want to put it all away, that's there for you also. 1.5 wide helm seats, so lots of room, extra space, gives you that little bit of elbow room. Does have the flip up bolster. So again, makes docking a little bit easier if you want to stand or to really just get your head above the windshield. Large Simrad screen. All your engine management information is on there. GPS, depth sounder, again, really everything you need into one smooth, easy package, flush mounted. Looks really slick. With this being the Mercury Verados, you do get joystick docking. Integrated into that is going to be autopilot and skyhook. Again, really just makes owning and moving the boat, maneuvering it really simple. As we move forward, you're gonna have integrated storage inside of here for your tables, both cockpit and bow. And of course, this is the SDX line, and it is 29 feet, so you're gonna have a nice head, vacuum flush head, nicely finished. It does have a sink as well as an opening port light down there. As we move through the walk-through windshield, it'll feel nice and high, really good safety control in there, into the very large bow. Windlass all the way forward. You can run that from the dash, you can run that from up here. Filling cushion available, flip down bow rest, armrest, and really lots of nice cup holders and everything else you need. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Give us a phone call. We'd love to get you on the water on this one.